Hi guys, Whitney and Cassie here with Interior Edit. We are showing you 5 ways to elevate your home.
No matter the size of your home, big or small, there are ways that you can elevate it, make it feel more curated and more inviting. So we're gonna show you how. 2 more ways to decorate your home is through accessories and decorations and through art. So when it comes to decorations, we always feel like, first of all, add your personality in there. Find things that you love when you're traveling or that you love that you can incorporate. And then using things that you already have, we love books. So hold on to those books, don't get rid of them. You can use beautiful coffee table books. You can have them stacked this way. You can have them stacked vertically with a bookend, but books really make a space feel curated. And then deciding where you want to splurge and save, there's amazing things to find in thrift stores. And then you can also find, something that's a little more exciting for you. Big pieces, big and small are good, mixing textures, adding hardscapes and softscapes, adding metals and woods, different things like that will really add when you're using picture frames. We love that. Show your family pictures, but it might be a good idea to incorporate the same frame over and over again instead of using a bunch of different frames that will make it look busy and a little more cluttered. You just want it to look clean, you want it to look intentional, and the decorations that you add can really make a huge difference in your home.
And one of those ways we love to tell our clients is printable art. There's so many websites on the internet where you can download digital prints, go to your local store, have them printed. It's a great way to switch things out so you're not totally stuck with an investment piece. You can say, hey, I'm ready to switch this out for holiday, anything like that. Another way is we love to do gallery walls. This is a great way to showcase your family in a very curated, high-end way. We love matted frames. Avoid full pictures. We just love the smaller vibe. It just feels a little bit more art gallery, a little bit more put together. And then another way, if you really want to take it over the top, is we love these picture lights. These are great. They are very renter friendly. You can hang them up with 3Ms or just some nails, and they're battery operated. So no electrical work, just easy peasy.
And look at that, like right above the picture, gorgeous.
Beautiful.
So pretty. And don't forget to check your thrift stores for good art. Don't be afraid to use vintage looking frames. That's really fun. And then we also love mirrors. So when you're choosing things to hang on your wall, make sure that you add mirrors, art, photographs, and not every wall needs something hung on it. So keep that in mind when you are choosing where to hang your pictures.